Alright, so let's solve this question. We sold 100 tickets total for the ceremony. Adult ticket actually cost $20 and we have the student ticket to be $10. So the total revenue made from this was $1,800. So how many students actually paid? To be able to find this, we can make use of simultaneous equation to solve this and be able to get our students out of it. Alright, so let's quickly demarcate this. Alright, and have all of this. So the first thing is that we can equate it to two solutions. The first solution is 100, the second solution is going to be 1,800. Alright, so that simply means that, of course, the total number of tickets is 100, and the number of people that made up the ticket is adults and students. So that means that let X be equal to the adults. Let's represent that, and let Y be equal to the students. Alright, so in this case, our first equation is going to be X plus Y equal to 100 tickets. So which means that adults plus students will give us 100 because we are only selling 100 tickets and we are not exceeding that. Alright, so the second equation will be that the number of adults times the amount we sold to the adults and the number of students times the amount we are selling to students, alright, will give us the total revenue. So that simply means that 20, because adults, where we sold it $20 to them, 20 times X, 20X plus, for the students, that is 10Y, will give us 1,800. So now let's solve this as X plus Y equal to 100, that gives us equation 1, and we have 20x, let's have plus 10y, that gives us equation 1,800, equation 2. Let's call it that. So the first thing we should know here is that we can actually reduce or simplify second equation to be equal to, we can divide all through by 10. If we divide all through by 10, that simply means we are going to be having 20x over 10, alright, plus 10y over 10 equal to 1,800 over 10. So by the time you take it all through, what you are going to be having is going to be 2x plus y, that's 1y is y, equal to 180. So now we can have our equation to now be x plus y equal to 100, and you have 2x plus y equal to 180. So let's call this equation 1 and this is equation 3. So now solving further, we can eliminate. Alright, and when eliminating, we can just take equation 3 from 1. If you take equation 3 from 1, what do you have? You have x minus 2x, that's minus x. Alright, y take away y, that's going to be 0. Equal to 100 take away 180, that's going to be minus 80. Alright, so in this case, all we have is going to be minus x equal to minus 80. Alright, of course, we can divide all through by minus 1, and that is going to be x equal to 80. So if x equal to 80, let's come back to equation 1. That's x plus y equal to 100. Alright, that simply means that 80, which is x, plus y equal to 100. So our y can now be said as 100 take away 80. Alright, so our y equal to 20. So that simply means that we have 80 adults and what? 20 students. So to answer this question, how many students paid? Just only 20 students paid, because our student gives us y, or y represented the number of students. So definitely 20 students made the payment, and that is what we have for today. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ni Ọlájídé from Tutors.